It, like everything gets a limit. You see that Nnamdi Kanu, if you have love for your people and you listen to him speak, with that you can be motivated to be a monster more than him. So this is it's all about, let's give it a time. A more rugged, more monster more than Nnamdi Kanu will emerge, because there is a limit that you tolerate some things. Because when you know that okay, this government they are not coming for us. Like what happened to Ebonyi now after the killing and the rest, the soldiers, the security of they were like stopping them from recording. Who does that? So that the public will know see what is happening over there. So these are the things that will motivate people. It's just that Southeast they don't just cooperate. I think that they cooperate, they come together. Once they say something, they mean it, and let it start from the government. Let the government back their people. So that is just it. Talking about people will emerge. This is people will emerge. People come and go. More people will emerge because if you have what it takes. Because life is all about motivation. Once that motivation comes, yes, you know that you have seen enough. There's nothing you will see more than what you have seen. So you believe that yes, is it not dead? So like in that one, he doesn't know what is dead now. If it's all about him dying for the good of his people, that guy don't care. Because he doesn't want to compromise for anything. It's just the safety. Give me this, give me Biafra. That's all. So that my people will be safe. Because you believe that all these guys in government, those governors they had, no, those ones that are their own interest. They don't have the
All right.
interest of the people.
Let's switch into the angle the government is trying to swing the narratives to. You know, before now, they have been accusing a lot of people, especially when it comes to the Southeast issue. They have been accusing a lot of people like Nnamdi Kanu, Simon Ekpa, and so on and so forth. But I have been single-handedly telling them and showing them that forget about all these people who are agitating. They are not the causes of insecurity, based on my personal experience and the proofs I have at hand. And recently, after they kidnapped Nnamdi Kanu from Kenya, and they thought that would stop the insecurity. And the insecurity didn't stop. At the time, they said it was Simon Ekpa. Now, Simon Ekpa is not in the picture. Houses are being razed down. People are being killed here and there. Even Soludo before thought maybe it was IPOB and all those people. But the new security outfit he set up, he discovered that, oh, these people are just normal people who are not even IPOB or Biafra agitators. They are realizing lately what we have been saying, that these people are not the causes of insecurity. Now, the issue in the Southeast is alarming. For example, the day 30 houses were razed down in Ebonyi State, that was last Sunday. The villagers told us, they told me personally, because I made contact with them, that after 1 hour, the police, the military, and the deputy governor of Ebonyi State came to tell them that the issue they have with the Fulanis is over, that they have settled the issue, they should go their normal business, that they should not prepare for war, that they should not be scared. After 1 hour, they left. The Fulani terrorists came, started burning down houses. They burned down 30 houses. They killed about 36 persons, butchered them live. And this incident happened within 6 hours. Within that 6 hours, the police did not come, this military, none of the security agencies were there. And after those people left, the soldier came to tell them sorry. The soldier seized all their phone not to take picture. The soldier gathered the dead body. After gathering the dead body, before they give them back their phone. Sometimes all these stories that comes out from Nigeria, especially the Southeast, it will make you think that no, it's not a true story. It's not. This can never be fact. Like this is just a cock and bull story. But in the reality, this is what is happening. Where are we going from here?
Concerning what is happening in Southeast, yes, sorry to use this word. All the governors in the 4 states, the 5 states in the Southeast, all of them are cowards. And this were the marginalization. That is where it started from. And this was what Nnamdi Kanu is always against. Okay, take for instance in Southwest, they have they formed the governors from there. They came together. They have a security outfit called Amatoku.
Amatoku.
Yes, this is a local security personnel. They are using it to fight insecurity. Okay, take for instance, in South East, how many times have the governors come together and say, okay, let's establish a security outfit to tackle the insecurity we have in our zone? That's why I call them coward.
They are blaming
Because
non-state actors that they are responsible. Like this IPOB are responsible, these people are responsible. But at the end, they are discovering lately that these people are not the issue. They are not behind the issue of insecurity in the Southeast.
my brother, in this country, in this world, self-determination is not a crime. Like Southwest, Southwest, they also have someone that was agitating for Dudua Republic, Sunday Igbo, Abi.
Yeah.
When those guys started having a security issue, did they link it to Sunday Igbo? That was one that brought the security
No,
insecurity.
they targeted people who were coming with insecurity issue, who are the Fulani terrorists. Now, I'm not going to cut you short. There is one man, the former is a former major general in the army. He was the head of Amatokun in is it Osun State? Yes, the head of Amatokun. No, in Osun State before, something like that. So his name is Kunde something. I'm going to play his video for you. I have never seen any Southeasterner who come out like this boldly to point finger to the main causes of the terrorists. Take a listen.
Who are the people doing the kidnapping? Who are the people? They like to refer to them as bandits. Who are the people carrying out the banditry?
Are they in our forest around here?
The entire Yoruba land is occupied by them.
As we are talking now?
As I'm talking to you.
You, until recently, was the chair of Amotekun in Oyo State, right?
All right. That was the head of Amotekun in Oyo State. In this broadcast with this man, he was talking about the issue of insecurity in Yoruba land. And the man did not leave any stone unturned. He even talked about how Buhari asked them to drop their gun when he was importing all these Fulani terrorists. But people from the Southeast, they knew about all these things. Most of the politicians like Ojo Zokano, Naya Baribe, what is it called, Hopus or them, Marucha Sokorocha, to mention but few. But none of them will have the guts, the courage to come out in a broadcast like this and talk. And a lot of them, I do send them invitation because I talk with most of them. I do send them invitation. Let's discuss about this. Why are these things happening? Is it that you people don't know? Come and honor invitation. Anything about insecurity, their hand is not there. They want to talk about 2027. So
that is what I'm saying. That Southeast, what they're interested in is politics. That's what they are interested in, because they don't want to offend the head, so that whatever they are seeking, they will not deny them. But when it comes to Southwest, those guys, they don't care. Their major interest is their people. Take for instance, whenever issue comes up, especially security threat in Southwest, before you know, the governor, they will convene a meeting, either in Lagos State or any of the states, to give ideas to solve the situation on ground. But Southeast, once it happens, they will be pointing finger on ipob, that these guys that are not responsible for the security threat. Okay, like you mentioned earlier on, okay, Nnamdi Kanu is no longer in the picture now. Simon Ekpa is no longer in the picture, but they are still experiencing security threat.
More than before.
Are these guys the Fulanis that are causing the mayhem? Are they ipob boys again?
No.
So this is where you know where these things are coming from. They are just playing politics with the life of the citizens over there. And this was what Nnamdi Kanu foresee, because you know that these guys that are cowards, they are not ready to defend my people. That was why the guy come up. Yes, let me set up a security outfit to tackle the insecurity in my zone. But at the end of the day, they declared them terrorist group.
They proscribed
and it was very easy for the government to declare the terrorist group. Even them, those Southeast, is it governors, those influential people from Southeast, they never objected to the president declaring them that terrorist group. They were very happy.
They were the one that sponsored the proposal.
So can you imagine? These are the people that you call your people. So that's why I told you, any governor that they are coward, they are just interested in their own personal affair. They don't have the citizen at their heart. And this was what Nnamdi Kanu foresaw. That yes, these people, and you know, they are killing my people, so I can't fold my hand. Take for instance, then when they established those security network, the insecurity there, it was cautious, it was limited now. It was contained to a reasonable extent.
Of course.
Because those guys, yes, they know the east and west, north of their land. You can't tell me you as a foreigner, I just came to my land, you know everywhere. Me that was brought up in this particular land. So when those guys were there, you see, all those Fulanis, before any Fulanis go there, you know that, yeah, these people are there. But now, those governors, they have sold their heart to the Fulanis. Those are the end of affair. Because of politics. And they don't want to care about their citizens, about their people. And this was what Nnamdi Kanu said. Okay. Say for instance, now by tomorrow now, maybe Tinubu government releasing Nnamdi Kanu. And then Nnamdi Kanu start from maybe he start from where he finished in terms of that Eastern Security Network. My brother, all these security threats, like all those Fulani, you will see them in Southeast. Just that the government, they know what they are gaining. That is why they don't want to fight. Because they say the more
are you afraid that tougher people like that of Nnamdi Kanu and others are going to emerge following the constant killing, kidnapping that is ravaging, especially the South Nigeria geopolitical zone? Because the reason why I'm saying this, you know that we cannot continue to fold our hand. It will never happen. We cannot continue to fold our hand that our people will continue to die. It will never, it's a promise. We cannot fold our hand and allow all these people to continue to take over our ancestral land. It's a promise, I repeat it. We cannot allow it to continue to happen. Do you have the foresight, or let me put it in this way, do you have the fear that worse than everything we have seen is emerging very soon?
Like everything gets a limit. You see that Nnamdi Kanu, if you have love for your people and you listen to him speak, with that you can be motivated to be a monster more than him. So this is it's all about, let's give it a time. A more rugged, more monster more than Nnamdi Kanu will emerge, because there is a limit that you tolerate some things. Because when you know that, okay, this government, they are not coming for us. Like what happened to Ebonyi now, after the killing and the rest, the soldiers, the security they were like stopping them from recording. Who does that? So that the public will know, see what is happening over there. So these are the things that will motivate people. It's just that Southeast, they don't just cooperate. I think that they cooperate, they come together. Once they say something, they mean it, and let it start from the government. Let the government back their people. What will it take for them to have a local security network? Because you can't depend on police, because the police are being controlled by the federal. Police are controlled by, because if okay, they will come together. If it's all about state police, no matter what, go for it. Because one of the major responsibility of a government is protect life and property. If at the end of the day they kill the whole citizen, who will vote for them? These are the things that I know that yes, they believe in rigging, and they don't. That is why they don't need them, because they know how to have their way. Because all these things cannot happen in the Western world now. It cannot happen. So that is just it. Talking about people will emerge. People will emerge. People come and go. More people will emerge. Because if you have what it takes, because life is all about motivation. Once that motivation comes, yes, you know that you have seen enough. There's nothing you will see more than what you have seen. So you believe that, yes, is it not dead? So like that one, he doesn't know what is dead now. If it's all about him dying for the good of his people, that guy don't care. Because he doesn't want to compromise for anything. It's just the safety. Give me this. Give me Biafra. That's all. So that my people will be safe. Because you believe that all these guys in government, those governors they have, no, those ones that are their own interest. They don't have the interest of the people.
Yeah, let's take the bull by the horn. When we are talking about Delta states, from your area, from my area there, Ekpa Federal Constituency, the former CDS, what is his name, Mr. General Rabo, yes, is there. And I think he's now living in Agbo. And we have a lot of top prominent personalities. the former governor of Delta State, Senator Dr. Ifeanyi Okowa, is there. And to mention but few, a lot of them are there. And let me even spread it to Delta North, because the issue of insecurity is ravaging Delta North. Anyoma Nedimoko is there, and a lot of them. Now, what is stopping these people from coming together and empowering vigilante? We are trying our best, okay? Some of us, our hard-earned money, will donate it to security outfit to buy ammunition, to buy bullets, to do all those things. We are trying our best. What stops these politicians? Because if they are doing anything, we are not seeing what they are doing, and what they are doing is not enough. What is it that is stopping them? Do you have any idea?
That is the politics I'm telling you. Forget about if you are talking about this security challenge you are having in a car or in a Delta North. Just put this politician out of the picture, because those ones, they have nothing to offer except they want to go back to that is contesting for election. That is 2020. That is what they are interested. So since this insecurity started, have you seen any of them that come out boldly and say, okay, with what is happening, I'm supporting the vigilante, local vigilante with this cash or whatever? What they do is that they will buy maybe healers, police vehicle for police, and these police are not helping matters. So when you are talking about insecurity in our land, I'm telling you, so we should forget about those politicians. Then themselves, they know. Even we have like, you know, where we come from now. We also have a politician from our community now, so you know how they behave. So since the insecurity started, especially in our community, as the political figure we know in that land, how many times have the man come? So okay, this vigilante, I'm empowering you guys to do so. It will be loud now, no matter what. They could have said it. So that's why I'm telling you. This is that the same rope tie them together. The same rope. They know what they are doing. They know. And look at, by next election now, they will use this thing to contest that vote for me, I will end insecurity. And the gullible masses will still yes, agree that they have nothing to offer. These people, they have faith. They have nothing to offer. They are just trying to make use of the masses' brain, trying to work on their brain.
Don't you think that we are the problem?
The masses, we
allow all this nonsense to be going on.
Come again?
We allow this nonsense to be going on. We are the ones allowing all this nonsense to be going on.
That's what I'm saying. We are the ones that gave them power. So you can't tell me that who you gave power, and for him to use the power to maybe to work for you, the person not using it, you keep quiet. One of the major reasons why these guys are taking us for granted is we are the ones that are causing it, because nobody wants to take the bull by the horn. All of us are scared. Nobody. What will it tell us that any politician you see in our land, just told the person, don't drive them away. Let's start from there. These people will sit up. But if they come, you welcome them with open, and you'll be even use a red carpet to welcome them. Those idiots. The people that don't have you at heart. So we are the major problem we are having, especially the masses. When they come now, they will give you money, all this, they will use it to entice you. Because they know your problem. They have already inflicted you with hunger. So once they come, they know that yes, they are hungry. They'll bring you maybe one or two. Who is hungry? Doesn't care now. As far as yes, let me survive now.
Apart from what we are doing now, what do you think we should do more? What do you think?
The masses, we the citizens, like we the citizens, we have a lot to do. We need to hold the government responsible. We need to hold them responsible for them to sit up. That is where it will start from. We should never compromise on anything. Once we come together, the masses will decide this is what we need for the government. Nobody should compromise, because I've seen a lot of people compromising. That is why, like me, if I want to do something, I will just try and picture those guys involved, the kind of integrity these people have. If they don't have it, I can't join them, because I know at the end of the day, if you are going for the recourse, you are working on the right channel, these people will still come and they will compromise. They will just leave you standing. It's like, okay, you will be like someone that is doing something that is very strange. Until we, the citizens, sit up and know what we want, the government, these people will be taking us for granted, because they know that yes, they can't do anything. That is just it. They know. Look at like tomorrow now. The president might let's take the federal. The president might come up and say, okay, oh, I'm taking the fuel to 2,000. Before you know, all of us will come to social media. Wow, all of us will make noise. At the end of the day, we'll still go and buy that fuel at that amount. That's the problem we have. Nobody want to. Therefore, if you have like people like 4 Sowores in the let's say 4 Sowores in our country, we could have gone far now because like Nnamdi Kanu them. These are people that have when we talk about integrity, they don't want to compromise. They are fighting for the right cause. They know what they are fighting for. But here, no, the citizen, we Nigerians, we are not ready. Even go and ask all those Westerners, they will tell you that Nigerian citizens, they are not ready. You can't tell me that who you give power, who you elected into power, is not giving you what you want. You will fold your hand and be clapping for the. No, it doesn't work now. That is not how it works. We are the one that will stand up and take responsibility and hold these people accountable. But because of the fear of the unknown, most of us are just that is just a fear of the unknown. I don't know if I go and do this thing and these people will come for me. Because I have said it, and people fear for everything. We fear to fight for our liberty. And this thing is happening today. And as soon as we realize and we cut off that fear, my brother, we are not going anywhere. Because everybody wants to enjoy life. I want to enjoy that is it. And the life, you are not enjoying it. If most of us travel out, they will know what life is now. That is why most of the ones they travel out, they don't want to come back. Because they will experience another dimension of life with what is going on here. Okay, take for instance, if Nigeria is a country that is working, why is all those political office holders, most of their their children, they are not schooling in this country.
That is right.
To show you that nothing is working in this country. And we, the citizens, we are the one that will make this country work for us. We will not depend on them. They will keep on telling us that this policy will come on board. Which policy? If we don't hold them accountable, there is no way this country will work. And Nigeria, as it will, may God help us, because this country is something that is going, it's like the country is going into extinction. Because with the level of happiness, with the level of the state of the nation now, my brother, it's only, we have been depending on God. I can't mention God because God himself is tired of this country. Because the human resources, the natural resources, everything, God bless it with this country. But we don't have leaders. Governance, zero in this country. That is our major concern. That is the major problem we are having. And nobody wants to fight. All of us, once you have something that you are doing, and you believe that, yes, life is okay. Life is not okay, my brother. Say, for instance, now most of us are graduates in this country, but nothing to show for. Is that a country that you wish for yourself?
Not at
all. Of us, we need to stand. We need to stand and fight for ourselves. Because all those guys, they believe they don't have anything to worry. We are the ones. Yes, we know where we are feeling the pain. Like some people have a intention to fight too. But you know that there are some people that, yes, if they want to fight, they always be looking at, yes, who is backing me up? Because whatever you are doing in life, you apply wisdom to it.